It's a dead end. You pushing me? No, you don't have to. I got it. There's Malia. Kimmy, where you at? There she is. Hey everybody, welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Cheryl and I am the activity author, here to bring you another book inspired craft video. And if you don't know me, hey, I'm Cheryl. I'm an author and I create easy kids crafts made with household items that are usually inspired by books by self-published authors. Now some of y'all might be wondering, why am I outside? I'm outside in this fresh air, just enjoying nature. It's about 50 degrees out here, but it's not too cold, and my kids are playing in the playground. So I thought this would be the perfect time to come out and talk to you guys about the book that inspired all of this good stuff that you're about to see here today. And we are enjoying all of this awesome weather we're having right now. Is so clear. It's been raining lately in Charlotte a lot. So this is the first time we got to come outside in about 3 days. So I decided that it would be a great time to come out here and just introduce the book that we are going to craft today. So you guys are just going to love this video because this is the third time that we are working with this author, Lacey Boucher, and her Goodnight World series. So the book that inspired all of these crafts today is called A Letter for Air, and it is written by Lacey Boucher and illustrated by Ilnaz Barmaye. I really connected with this book because it really does complement the other two books that we did on this channel. If you haven't seen those other two videos, I'm going to link them below so you guys can catch up. I can't wait to tell you guys about how this book will teach your child how to appreciate nature and celebrate clean, fresh air, and also giving them the responsibility to keep this world a clean and safer place. So I know you guys really came here to see the craft, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you that, but please promise me that you guys are gonna stay until the end so you can see why I love this book and why it was such an inspiration on everything you're about to see here today. Do you guys promise to keep watching until the end? You do? All right, well, I knew I could count on you, best friends, so you're gonna be glad you did, okay? So let's go ahead and see how I transformed this book into 6 awesome crafts that will teach your kids to appreciate clean, fresh air. And like I always say, let's get crafty. This craft was so much fun. I started out by asking my kids, what does air look like? And I could see the little wheels turning in their heads, y'all. Kids have the best imaginations. So because I wanted to give them more inspiration, I showed them the images from these pages of the book and I watched them create. First, I'm getting them to paint a background like this. This is totally optional because I could just get them blue paper, but what's the fun in that? We are doing a nighttime and daytime image like the book. Malia's doing the night and Kimberly's doing the day. And then you set them aside and let them dry. Then I gave them aluminum foil. Notice that Kimberly's aluminum foil is a little bit more crinkled than Malia's. I did this to show you guys the difference in the textures when you crinkle it a little bit. On this step, have your child paint what air looks like to them. And that's what you can see my kids doing right now. When they are done, you want to take the background image and stamp it to the foil like this and watch the magic happen. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, that is gorgeous. If I had to say what air looks like, I think we came pretty darn close. And don't worry, if the background isn't completely dry, Malia used a lot of paint, so hers isn't fully dry either. Wind. Ooh, it's a stormy night. The kids love this so much, we decided to do it multiple times. You can see the difference here if you don't paint a background like we did. Now do you see why we painted the background first? It gives the painting more depth, in my opinion. Stay tuned to see how we use these extra stamping backgrounds in the rest of the upcoming crafts in this video. Now that you've had your painting fun, you could be done at this point, but we're going to take it a step further. We wanted to add to our paintings by really creating what air looks like in a clean environment and when it's a polluted environment. So this activity really connected my kids beyond the book. Can you believe we made this fence out of barbecue skewer sticks and string? Like, guys, sky is the limit. Go ahead and be creative. So I encourage you all to use your printed art to teach kids how air really affects our planet. Or hold up, I got another idea just for you. We can turn this into another wind catcher. Check this out. What do you guys think? Cute, right? It reminds me of the time that we made this wind catcher for Lacey's first book called A Letter for You. If you haven't seen that video yet, make sure you click the link in the description box after you watch this video and get caught up. I can't wait to see how your kids' design turned out. So make sure you guys take pictures and tag me on Instagram so I can shout them out and celebrate their artwork. So one of the solutions in this book was to walk or ride a bike to your next location to preserve the air quality. We know cars and many forms of transportation really mess up our ozone layer. So check out this cute way to create an easy bicycle craft. We want to make this a challenge, so I encourage you and your little one to figure out creative ways to make a bike. If you don't have a random pool noodle lying around your house, why not use something circular like a jar top or a cupcake liner. Instead of using straws, you can use popsicle sticks. So have fun with this. And if you can't think of a creative way, you can always follow what we're doing here. That turned out so cute, right? I know y'all gonna hit that like button just for that craft alone. Go ahead, show me some love. You know you want to. So now let's get to the next craft. So now it is time to show you guys how we created the craft on the thumbnail, the spinning windmill. Now it was inspired by this page here. And guys, did you know the main purpose of a windmill is to convert wind into energy, like electrical energy? And farms use that energy for things like pumping water underground. So yeah, guys, I'm a country girl, raised in the country, and I'm not ashamed of it, okay? But yeah, make sure your kids know that fact. That's something really cool. But anyway, for this craft, we use the cup, but you guys can use anything you want, like a paper towel roll or one of those orange juice box containers, anything like that. So while the paint was drying, I had the kids make grass on this plate. And now check out how we are making the propeller. If you don't have straws, you can use things like chopsticks or some more of those wooden strewer sticks that we have for barbecues. Next, I took some hot glue and put together the straws in like a crisscross shape, and then I glued them together using foam sheets that I cut in a circle, and then I hot glue all of that together. And then I had an inch of the strewer stick left from the first craft when we made the fence. I used that to poke it into the foam cup. And lastly, I used a hole punch to create a hole in our propeller. Yes, it's possible. I mean, you just got to add a little extra pressure. But then it made a hole. And then I attached the propeller to the stirrer stick, and I'm using a bead to hold it in place. You guys could really just glue anything on the front to hold it in place. If you don't want your windmill to spin, you guys don't have to do this. You can just make a propeller and stick it on there. I mean, you can even turn this into a little STEM project where kids can figure out what they would use to make a propeller. So speaking of STEM, did you guys know that I had a previous video with some STEM crafts? Y'all should definitely check that out. I'll have it linked in the description box below. That turned out so cute, right? Because you are so sweet, let me go ahead and bless you with 2 bonus crafts right now. No, it's my pleasure, trust me. So for the bonus crafts, they were inspired by this page here, where our main character is out in nature, camping, enjoying everything that nature has to offer. So let me show you guys a cool and easy way to make an RV. Y'all like that? Well, hold on. Let me show you a really quick and easy way you can make a tent. I used marble paper that we made in this video right here. It will also be linked below. But yeah, we used the marble paper and we shaped it into a tent. And then you can put your child's picture in the tent as a cute little added touch. And then decorate the background and you're all done. So remember how you promised you wouldn't leave this video until I told you about the awesome book that inspired all of these awesome crafts today? Well, now is the time. So check this out. A Letter for Air is really about showing the appreciation for being in nature and breathing in fresh air. This book encourages us to look deeper into what causes air pollution and how we can make a difference with small steps in our own lives. In this book, you'll also see lots of whimsical illustrations and poetic rhyming verses that will lock your child's curiosity and passion for a clean and healthy earth. This book is intended for kids age 2 and up, but I say you can grab it for anyone to enjoy. Like I said, I even enjoyed this book and this series, so you can't go wrong, guys. Now let's quickly hear about Lacey, our author. I wanted to remind you guys that she's an educator, a wife, a mother of 2 sweet little boys, and they live in Canada with their dog. So Lacey's goal for starting the Goodnight World series is to instill a passion for kids to care and want to make a difference in this world. Lacey believes that we all have what it takes to be activists and helping to make this world a cleaner and better place. She wants kids and their caregivers to be able to explore these big issues in the world without feeling overwhelmed by them. So now that I've shown you all the reasons why you just have to have this book, please drop down in the description box right now and grab your copy. Visit her website for more information and follow Lacey on all of her social media platforms so that you are notified when she drops the rest of the books in this series. I really hope this series can make it into classrooms all over the world. That's how much I believe in it, and I am definitely a fan. I want to thank you all so much for watching this video all the way until the end. You are the real MVP for that. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so that you can see more craft videos just like this. And also comment below your favorite craft that you cannot wait to make, because I want you guys to take pictures and tag me on Instagram so that I can see and celebrate your child's work. Please don't forget to grab a copy of today's book and visit our author. All of the social media links and all the links are down below. No, go play with something else. Come on, try something else. You gotta zip your jacket up, girl. You're gonna catch a cold. Kim, put Nina back. Go run over there. Run over there. Run fast. Go. Ew, don't touch the trash can. Dirty. No. Silly girls. Uh-oh, watch out for the poop. Somebody didn't pick up their dog poop. Watch out for the dog poop because somebody didn't pick up their dog poop. Talking about, right, making the world a better place.
And make sure you make the earth clean.
And make sure you make the earth clean, just like Kimmy said. Make sure you guys share this video, and if you didn't get a chance to see the other 2 videos that I featured with the Goodnight World series, click on one of these 2 videos to keep the party going, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!